In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reference cells in other sheets on Google Sheets. This is a handy skill, especially if you're working with multiple sheets in a single document and need to pull data from one sheet to another. So let's dive right in and explore two methods to accomplish this. Let's begin by utilizing one of the fastest and most intuitive ways, using your mouse. Start by typing the equal sign in the cell where you want the data to appear. This equal sign tells Google Sheets that you are beginning a formula. With that simple step completed, switch over to the sheet containing the data you want to reference. Simply click on the cell you intend to reference. Google Sheets is smart enough to automatically generate the reference for you. This is a fantastic way to quickly pull data across different sheets without having to worry about getting your references wrong. It's seamless and really makes managing information effortless. Now, if you're someone who prefers doing things manually, or if you want to become more familiar with how cell referencing works, let's explore the manual method. Again, position yourself in the cell where you want the data to be replicated, and begin by typing an equal sign. Follow this by entering an apostrophe and then carefully input the exact name of the sheet you wish to reference. It's crucial to ensure the sheet name is entered exactly as it appears, with attention to detail as it is case sensitive. Once you've typed the sheet name, close it with another apostrophe. This ensures the sheet name is correctly identified by Google Sheets. Following this, type an exclamation mark, which acts as a separator between the sheet name and the cell reference. Now, type in the cell location, such as A3, and then hit Enter. Voila! The data should now appear in the cell in your current sheet. These methods are particularly useful in organizing and dynamically displaying your data from different areas of your spreadsheet. By referencing cells across sheets, you can create complex dashboards and reports that automatically update as your data changes. This is a powerful way to enhance your productivity and ensure data consistency. In essence, whether you prefer the intuitive and quick mouse method or the precise and flexible manual method, knowing how to reference cells across sheets in Google Sheets opens up a world of possibilities for organizing and analyzing your data efficiently. Don't forget to double-check your sheet names for accuracy, since even a small discrepancy can lead to errors or unexpected results. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep practicing, and soon referencing cells across different sheets will become second nature for you. Happy spreadsheeting!